go. Okay, now we got some light bulbs. I'm getting the fuck out the way. Are they doing anything? The hell? There we go. Okay, they're doing something now. I cannot tell what the fuck it's doing. This is quite a fire extinguisher one, but... Whew! Smoky. Okay. Right. So, they did do something. I just need to find fucking stickers. No, it's fine. Ooh. Wow, this is actually coming in handy a fair bit. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just go get a plate or something. Let's put these on. I'll be right back. Let's go back out there to retrieve this product. As you can tell, it smells very bulby. There's probably a good reason for that. A reason that I don't care about. Oh god, is it not coming off the stick? No! Come off, you fuck. There we go. Okay.